I am back. Everyone's gone from the park. This is a part 2 from the video. So let's get right into it.
Okay guys, he's on his second video and I'm just on my first video. He did 11 minutes of the other one and I just did 4.
Woo!
That's so unfair.
Can you push me side to side?
That face though. I was on it first. So you push me side to side first and I'll push you side to side. I believe
This is so hard.
Yeah, with a thingy in your hand. Duh.
Well, I know what I will do.
Oi. Guys, I might as well chuck you down, just like he did. Chuck, guys, chuck his people down.
Chuck his people down. It's a tablet.
Yeah, but there's people.
You know, he kicked it.
There's people in there.
There's people in my tablet.
Yeah.
Oh, for God's sake.
Please stop me now, because I sort of can't. Hey guys.
I'm done. Now I hold mine and you push me.
Hey guys.
Hi.
I'm waiting to put you guys down.
And I'm gonna hug the string.
Or you can put your down as well.
No.
Do whatever.
I like to hold it. I like to hold it.
Don't kick it.
I'm trying not to. Miss.
You almost kicked my people.
I almost kicked the people. I like kicking people.
Okay. Kick people then. That face.
Hello, guys.
After this.
I'm getting bored. You're supposed to push me side to side.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying with one hand.
It's hard.
Ow. After this,
Whoa.
we're gonna go on this thing. And in last video, I forgot to do question. So, yeah.
Let's go.
I'm gonna do this for 15 minutes. So,
Well, I have to show you guys something.
I have 8 more minutes left.
It's very fun. It's very, very fun, I can tell you, actually. You can put your foot right there, and then do that. And I'm up. Do this. Which is not that scary, actually. And all you have to do to get down is do this. Ready? Woohoo! Let's jump down now. So that was fun.
Oh yeah, and by the way, I had to change the plans. I'm not going to do one video every week. I'm going to be doing a video.
Two videos a day, she said.
No, I'm going to try to do a video every day.
Or two.
If I have the time. Because like I have school tomorrow. I fix it.
I have to school tomorrow too. Me too.
Yeah, but I might do a video at lunchtime.
Are you allowed to?
Yeah, we're allowed our phones at lunchtime. Yeah.
Well, people will know what school you go to, so I wouldn't.
Never mind. So instead I'm gonna do a video after school.
Jump off, guys. Video and what's happening to your phone?
Memory.
Okay, I'm gonna put my phone right there. Ready?
Do you know what? I'm gonna delete this.
Hi guys.
Bye guys. Oh, I actually had 2 pictures of Kiki too.
Yeah, delete every picture.
I deleted most of them.
Delete every picture that you don't need.
I only captured the 2 penguins because they're adorable.
Can I see the 2 penguins?
There's this penguin.
Wait, let me just do something.
Did you literally just make them? Just sit like literally right there.
Yeah. Okay, what is it?
There's one of this.
They have to see. But they probably can't. Your thumb is blocking it. You can't even see it, okay?
And there's also this penguin.
Okay.
I think I have 25 pictures of Messenger. Oh yeah, there are. I have to get more pictures of Kiki. And ready guys? Hi guys!
Swing
Martin
time!
Vlogs here. And basically I have to start the video all over again. For
No,
the
you can
first
join them
time.
together, can't you?
No, but I just deleted that video. Because someone told me to delete all my things except for the cute things. So I just kept the 2 penguins and 2 Kikis. Oh yeah, Kiki's my kitten, by the way.
My kitten as well.
Kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty.
Kitty catty. Kit Kat.
It's a Kit Kat.
It's a Kit Kat.
You're a Kit Kat. Hey guys,
I love Kit Kat.
Put you guys down here. Like
I'm
gonna
doing.
swing. Shut up. Okay guys, I'm waiting. Actually, I'm just gonna be like this. So when I'm singing, you guys can almost see my face.
Guys, I'm gonna die. Die. 3, 2, I'm. I'm alive, guys. Ah!
Okay guys, now we are gonna go.
I'm still alive. Hi.
Climbing.
I'm alive. I've just been on the climbing thing though.
Yeah, no, but I'm trying to climb up in the climbing frame.
I'm gonna go on this different way.
You just nudge it.
Good for you. I barely survived that. I got hit in the face by it.
Falling off the climbing frame. Why are we going up to the childish one?
I don't know.
Wait, the climbing frame for little kids, right? And there's literally one for bigger kids.
Dab.
Right over there.
Dab with you guys.
And we're going.
The way I'm going up is not for kids.
No, I'm not. The slide is wet.
I know, everything's wet. Isn't it good? It was at night.
I'm stuck on the climbing frame now. I'm done.
How can you be stuck on a climbing thing for kids? Guys, this is how you get down the fun way. Ready? I showed you this twice. But who cares? Woohoo!
I'm doing this.
Ready? Let's go down. Let's go up the slide. Ready? I like parkour. That's all I can tell you. So let's run up this. this thing right there. Let's run up. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, fudge. Ready, front foot time. Ready? I'll put you down there. Front foot time! Hi guys. Let's go. Let's go. 3, 2. Ready? I'm gonna run down this. And 3, 2, 1, go! Down, down!
Where we die?
How are we gonna die?
Because I just spin with this elephant. Do you even know how to spin with him?
Not how.
I'm spinning with you.
I'm gonna die, guys.
You fell over.
Help me.
Hey guys, do you like this camera? Do you like it? It's adorable.
She'll send it to you.
No. Lavender.
Just be like that on the park, Martina.
To do
How do you have 5 minutes left?
because I'm doing it 10 minutes.
Oh, I've already have 12 minutes.
Oh!
Let's go, guys. Just upload that, Martina. What happened? What?
Put my hand in water. Okay, guys. So, you guys are just gonna see.
Look how I'm driving. I'm the best driver on earth. On earth, guys. Best driver on earth. Fudge. 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 Yes, I'm seriously going into the football pitch and but there's a good view up this thing. Let's go climbing. I don't know. If I'm climbing, I think I'm gonna fall soon. I'm just doing this for you guys. If this video isn't uploaded, Martina, I died. Let's keep going, guys. Let's keep going. Let's do this. Okay, let's go. This is so tiring, guys. You won't even believe it. You won't even believe it, how tiring it is. Whoa! Nearly hit her bike. What are you doing here?
Wee-hee. Gymnastics, people. It's a grass spot. Nope, the grass is dry. Boom.
Now they are all the things. Really, you could have just said that out loud.
Yeah.
You know, my view heard that. if I put a football out, then I'd kick it about. I don't know. So what should we do? Huh? Let's just take a solo one. I'm not even pedaling. Oh.
Yeah. But there's gonna be many more.
There's gonna be many more on my channel, but it's starting to rain. What the fuck? Fuck life. What the fuck? What the fuck? Martina, what the fuck?
What? I don't know.
What the? I said what the fuck?
Huh?
I said what the fuck?
Said what
Fug.
the fug?
What the fuck?
What does fug mean?
I just made it up.
But I want a pug, guys. I have a kitty, but I want a pug.
I want a pug. I want Dante DM's pug.
I want
Darcy
I want Maya.
and Ellie.
I want Maya and Edgar. Try
What
guess.
PewDiePie?
Oh, shut up! You just ruined it.
Everybody knows PewDiePie.
I know. But I was gonna say something. Like this video if you love PewDiePie just as much as me.
She wants to marry him.
No, I don't. Oh yeah, and go check
16
out.
minutes.
Huh?
16. 16.
Oh, I thought he's been doing this for an hour already.
Okay. We've been outside for 30 minutes. Even more. What's question of the video or something?
No.
Martina, what's question of the video or something?
Question of the day.
Yeah.
Do you not know what that is?
No.
It's a thing where you ask the people a question, like, would you rather that or that, or yeah, stuff like that, and they have to answer in the comments below.
You don't have that much views, Martina, to do that.
Yeah, but still,
Keep trying though. So,
gonna do it in one day.
this is
Still.
the end of the video for today.
How
It's been a good day.
It's starting to rain, guys.
Yeah, that's why I'm ending the video to go home.
Hi, Bob.
So this is the end. Bye.